So in this video we are going to see about the assembler directives. So these directives are predefined words or mnemonics that are already predefined in the assembler, and these directives cannot be used in our variable names, etc. So we have already seen one assembler directive, that is include. So this include is a assembler directive which tells assembler to include this content, this library files and include files. And now these these are the mnemonics. So these are the mnemonics, and we cannot use this in our variables name. Now we are going to see the title directive. So if you want to put the program's title, you can put using this title directive, and let's say hello world program. Now next one is the comment directive. So you can put the single line comments and the multi-line comments. So to put the single line comments, you can say semicolon, and after that you can see the text has been changed to green color because this is a comment. And let's say this is a comment. So this line will be ignored by the assembler. Alright, now we will see the multi-line comments. Now we can say we need to say the comment, and then we need to add some symbol, let's say dollar, and now we need to close the dollar. So in between this dollar and this dollar you can write any comments. So this block will be considered as a comment block. So first comment, and second comment. Now let's try to build our solution. Let's see if we get any errors. You can see no issues found because this is the comment and these two lines are the comments and ignored by the assembler. This is also comment, and the title will also be ignored by the assembler. Of course these are ignored, and there are some directives that are not ignored, that is when defining a variable. Let's say count, let's say temp test, let's say temp. So there is a temp variable, and this db stands for defined byte. So I'm going to define each one as a byte. Now we can say word. So word consists of 2 bytes, 2 bytes in the sense 16 bits. Now I can say 8. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a variable temp, and it is going to store the value 8, but in how many bytes? 2 bytes. Generally it take 1 byte, but we are storing as 2 bytes. So the upper byte will be the zeros. So in order to show that, I need to build the solution. Okay, now let's create another variable to make sure that this occupies only one word. Let's say temp2. Temp2, let's also say word, and let's say 7. So the temp is 8 and temp2 is 7. So let's build the solution again, and now click on this debug step over. Now you can see the first instruction, and already my variable data section has been loaded. Now I can just say debug windows and open the memory 1. Now I can say ampersand address of, let's say temp, and if I hit enter, you can see there is 1 byte. So this is a written in byte order. You need to reverse these bytes. It is 0008. So you can see the next one is 0700. That means our variable has occupied only 2 bytes because we have defined as a word. So this word is a assembler directive specifying the assembler to store 2 bytes of this 8 value. And also you can see temp2 is word, that means 7. You can see after all zeros, you can these are all pretty much zeros, so you cannot distinguish between this by word or d word, etc. So but it is a word. So okay, let's stop this. Now I can say d word, that is double the word, that means store this 7 in the 4 bytes value. So let's debug and step over. So now open the memory again and now search for a temp and hit enter. I'm sorry, I need to change this dword so that you guys can see the difference. Okay, now open the memory window and now say ampersand temp. So you can see now it has 08 and 3 bytes of 0, that means 4 bytes of 8, because we have specified that to store this 8 in a dword, that is 4 bytes, which is 32 bits. So you can see the actual difference. That's why we have included the second variable. If I did not include the second variable, it will be 0 and everything will be like we cannot accurately measure how many bytes it is taking. So this is these are some basic directives, assembler directives, which are predefined and we cannot use them in our variables or any other code.